Hey everyone, it is the morning and I'm just starting out my day. I wanted to come on here to show you a couple of things or let you know a couple of things. I just gave Vivian her breakfast. Let's see, so she had collard greens and she also had some grapes and a banana. So it was a good breakfast for her. I haven't eaten yet. And the reason why I haven't eaten yet is because I am starting my detox, my 30-day detox. I just received my Teami box. So they sent me, yes, I have my workstation. So they sent me my box. So my 30-day detox is supposed to be in here, as well as a new tumbler. So it is, I've fallen off the wagon, y'all, and I've gained weight. This is not about weight gain, it's about a lifestyle change. And I really wanted to kickstart my healthy lifestyle over again and start from scratch and, you know, work on me the way that, and not be lazy, the way that I know best and the way, you know, I know that I can be the best me that I can be possible health-wise. So I am starting this detox. I'm going to open the box to see what I have and what's in it. And then I'm going to show you, you know, take you on a little journey of my morning in a couple of days. I am officially off of maternity leave. So I've been juggling, doing the YouTube, and also working. I'm back working as a broker, an insurance broker. So that means that, someone's trying to call me at the same time. So what that means, basically, I'll sell like home, auto, business insurance, liability. I do trucking, all of those things. So I'm able to take care of all your insurance needs. So I started that. I started back this is my first official, this is my first official week doing this. And I love it. Honestly, I love to be able to find the best rates that I possibly can with the best coverage for all my clients. Anyone who calls me, I'm going to really dig deep to try to give you the best rate. All of this, all of this while juggling Vivian as she is staring at me right now. Hi. So she's looking at me like, what are you doing? Anyway, so let's unbox this and see. Yeah, what? Let's unbox this and see what they sent me. You get yours too. So okay. So I have two codes. One, you can save 20% off as long as you spend a minimum of $29. And then the other one, you can save 30% with a minimum purchase of $49. Amazing. So you too can take advantage of this deal and come along on this journey with me. So what I'm going to really try to do is I'll be posting on my Instagram as well. So it's Vishaun for real, just like my YouTube. And I'll be posting a few of my, what I'm doing, what I'm doing in terms of workouts, a few of my meals that you could even find from Teami to help you be successful. You know what? Let me not go into that yet. Let me just unbox this and then I'll go into it because I have a lot to do today. So here we go. All right, let's see. Take that out. All right, there we go. All right, so let's open and see what they sent me. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I thought it was getting a different color. It's so pretty. All right, so This is the tumbler on the go. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at this color. Okay, and then you get the infuser. So what the infuser is, I'll put it right there. So the infuser is used to put your tea leaves, okay? So let me just leave it like that. It's so pretty. Okay, I can't stop saying it. So you have the skinny tea that you take every day throughout the day. And then you have your colon, your Teami colon that you take, that you'll, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Sorry, I can't stop saying it's pretty. So then you have your Teami colon that you will, that you take every other day. The other good thing that that they offer, which is really good, is a calendar. Because it's 30 days, right? You have the calendar and you can check off, as I said, look, you have the skinny, right? And then, as I said, you take the skinny every day, and then you can even like redo the skinny throughout the day. Then you have the colon, which is every other day, right? And then you can keep track just to make sure that you're on schedule and you're taking your teas. So that way you're accountable for yourself. You're going to be accountable and make sure that you're on and you're doing what you're supposed to do. Look, this thing sets you up for success for your health and wellness journey. But I am in love with, okay, so I was gonna say, so let me not get sidetracked. So this infuser here, you put this at the bottom of the tumbler, okay? And then you put your tea leaves in. I'll demonstrate that in a few, okay? So you put your tea leaves in, and then you put it inside here. That way it gets strained and the leaves don't get like everywhere inside your tumbler. And you just let it soak in there, and then you get the strength of the teas and all of that. So sit tight for a minute because I haven't eaten yet. I'm going to drink some water. I'm going to drink some water right now, and then I will drink my tea along with that. Oh, it's BPA free, okay? So, and there are no preservatives. There's no additives. Nothing that is, it's all natural, okay? So if you look back here, it even gives you the instructions of how you, so you said place 1 teaspoon in a cup of near boiling water between 3 to 4 minutes. Use a strainer or the tea infuser, which is in this package, for clearer tea. So I'm gonna make my meal. I'll show you what I'm eating, and then I'll take you along. All right, so as I said before, I'm gonna check some emails, do some quotes that I have still on my list, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna have take my tea, gonna wash out my tumbler, my pretty cute tumbler, and then show you the meal that I'm gonna have for breakfast. Again, it's still the morning, so I have a lot to do. I have to start my day. And stay tuned. I'm so excited, guys. You need to join in on this. This stuff works. Okay? Listen to me. This stuff works. And remember one thing. Just because you have a busy schedule doesn't mean you make excuses not to start your health and wellness journey. I have a busy day, but guess what? You can always squeeze in your tea in the morning just like you would when you're getting your breakfast. Just boil your water, drop the tea in. 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds, actually. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Just take the little minuscule time that you can to start your health and wellness journey. It doesn't take much time at all. All right? All right, y'all. So I'm going to do collard greens for breakfast with some vegan yogurt, honey, and some fruits. So this is the collard greens. I got like a massive amount for like $1.50 at No Frills. And so what I did was cut them up, and then freeze them. So then I just take as I need, and that's it. Yeah, so I just take as I need and just prep my food, and that is all. So today I'm just gonna make some collard greens, and then, as I said, the yogurt and all of that, and then start my day working, and also, of course, filming this for you guys so you could see at least day one's meal, day one's breakfast. Then I gotta figure out, I have to do my meal plan, but for today, I have to figure out what I'm going to eat for dinner. So I was gonna put a teaspoon in here, or sorry, tablespoon. Like that, see? And then, what I do is just put this, throw my mayonnaise, y'all, don't judge. There, so you close it, sorry, you close it like so it like clicks, so it's all secure. Okay, you put the infuser inside, right? And then you pour your water. Alright, so just do it slowly. So it's gonna float up to the top like that. So what you do, well, you can also pour it through here. But what I do is just, I do it just like that, and then put the top on. You're good to go, just like that. So this is going to steep. You actually steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna let that sit, and then you're going to see it's already started to change color, but you're gonna let it change color a little bit. Okay, so there you go. All right, you guys. So to set yourself up for success, this is what I started doing, and I'm going to be doing as well. Is I got this off of Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description box. Basically, it encourages you to keep drinking your water throughout the day. So as you see here, it says 7 a.m. This is the line that you're supposed to be. I just filled this up, so don't judge me. So 7 a.m. it says good morning. 9 a.m. this is where you're supposed to be. Have a nice day. And as you keep going, it says remember your goal. Come on. Drink more, never say never, and it keeps going on, never say never, and it keeps going on and on and on and on. So it encourages you to drink your water. And the goal for the day, as you're sitting down, whether you're working or you're doing something, is to keep drinking your water. And you'll know by 8 p.m. that this is where you are supposed to be, okay? So again, it's a really big jug. So they come in different colors, but I'm going to put this in the description box so that you can get yours too. It's about $25, but it's worth it. It's very durable, right? And it'll help you reach your health and wellness goals. All right, so now I'm just gonna make my yogurt. I'm just gonna put a few dollops. That's it. And my fruits, so strawberries and blueberries. Yeah, blueberries. And just a little bit of honey because it's unsweetened coconut vegan yogurt. I'm just gonna put a little bit of yogurt because I don't like it too sweet, like so. And that's it. All right, so, and then don't forget the granola. It's the Made Good strawberry granola. It is all natural. So I'm just gonna add, oopsie, making a mess, hold on, it's all stuck. I've been using it, so there you go. That's it. That is my granola. So I've made the, as you know, the collard greens, and now I'm having the yogurt with granola and fruits. It looks like that. And that is that on my morning. That, all right? All right, so I'm starting with my water. I like to drink some water, at least 250 milliliters before I actually eat my meal. And then, of course, I have my Teami tumbler with me so I can drink this. Oh, it tastes so good just by itself. You don't even need, I mean, if you want to add like honey or whatever to yours, you can. As you can see, it's been infused now. But I have that. I have my collard green for my breakfast because I love to eat greens in the morning, whether it's Callalloo, collard greens, rapini. I don't like cooked spinach, but these are the greens that I eat in the morning. Sometimes with like boiled green banana, but I'm trying to cut out the extra starch and the carbs. So, and then when I'm finished that, of course, my granola. All right. So I will put in the description box where to get how you can get your tumbler as well. So you can save 30% right now on the package that I have. Sorry. You can save 30% right now on the package that I have for the Teami 30-day detox starter pack. It comes with the tumbler, the infuser, the skinny tea, the colon, and then you get the calendar. They also set you up for success so that you can find, different recipes and their accountability page where you can, see what other people are saying and, have a discussion with others so that you set yourself up for success. Now, and the tumblers come in different colors. So it doesn't only come in this aqua color. You can get pink, you can get black, you can get white. I believe there's what's it called? A wine color. There's so many different colors of green that you can choose from. So thank you for sitting with me in my morning. After this, I am definitely going to start a little bit of some work and finish some quotes that I promised some of my clients. And I will get back to y'all and show you how my day is. I'm going to, on the weekend, so I will be filming that. We're going to have like a fun-packed family weekend where we're going to get Vivian, we're going to purchase a Build-A-Bear for her. So we have different activities that you can view and enjoy with us. So that is that on that. Yeah. All right, so I have a couple quotes to do right now, so I will get back to you.